Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving past arches problems. So far we have seen 15 problems. Problem number 16. The number of values of theta which belongs to 0, pi for which the system of linear equations x plus 3y plus 7z equals 0 minus x plus 4y plus 7z equals 0 sin 3 theta into x plus cos 2 theta into y plus 2z equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution is option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D 2. So, system of homogeneous equations. So, we know that homogeneous is always consistent. To have non-trivial solution, we should have delta equal to 0. For non-trivial solution, determinant found by coefficient of x, y, z, that is known as delta equal to 0. That is 1, 3, 7, minus 1, 4, 7, sin 3 theta, cos 2 theta, 2 equal to 0. Just expand this. 1 into 2 into 4, 8 minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 3 into minus 2 minus 7 sin 3 theta plus 7 into minus cos 2 theta minus 4 sin 3 theta equals 0. Six plus 21 sin 3 theta minus 7 cos 2 theta minus 28 sin 3 theta equals 0. Eight plus 6, 14, 7 cos 2 theta, here also 7 cos 2 theta, that is 14 cos 2 theta, 21 sin 3 theta minus 28 sin 3 theta minus 7 sin 3 theta equal to 0. So you can find 7 is a common factor here. 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta equal to 0. Just transform this equation in terms of sin or cos. Apply sin. So 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus sin 3 theta. That is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to 0. 2 minus 2 plus 4 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 4 sin cube theta equal to 0. This will be cancelled. So 4 sin cube theta plus 4 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta equal to 0. You can take sin theta in common. So 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0, which implies sin theta equal to 0 or 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Sin theta equal to 0 implies theta equal to 0 comma pi. So 0 does not belongs to the open interval 0 comma pi, and pi does not belongs to 0 comma pi. This open interval is given in the problem, so it should not consider 0 as well pi. Now we take 4 sin square theta sin theta minus 3 equals 0. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. So you can take 6 into minus 2 minus 12. You can consider this as a quadratic in terms of sin theta. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. You have to find two numbers whose product should be minus 12 and addition should be 4. 6 into minus 2. Applying shortcut method, 6 by 4 minus 4, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 sin theta plus 3 into 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Which implies 2 sin theta plus 3 equals 0. 2 sin theta minus 1 equal 0. I have factorized this. You know how to factorize a quadratic. So here sin theta takes the value minus 3 by 2. Here sin theta takes the value 1 by 2. So this is not possible. So the maximum value of minimum value of sin theta is minus 1. The value of theta sin theta lies between minus 1 to minus 1 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1. Therefore sin theta equal to minus 3 by 2 is not possible. You take sin theta equal to 1 by 2, sin pi by 6, sin 30, sin 5 pi by 6, sin 150, also 1 by 2. So theta takes value pi by 6 comma 5 pi by 6. So it has two values. So that answer option D. That is two values. Next one, 17. Let the matrix A equal to 0, 2Q or PQ minus R, P minus Q R. If A into A transpose equal to I3, then modulus of P. A equal to option A 1 by root 3, option B 1 by root 2, option C 1 by root 5, option D 1 by root 6. So first find A transpose 0, 2Q R, P Q minus R, P minus Q R. Transpose of this 0 P P, 2Q Q minus Q, R minus R R. So you take the transpose of first matrix, which is equal to I3. So apply matrix multiplication equal to 0 4Q squared plus R squared. Take first row, multiply with second column, 0 2Q squared R into minus R squared. Then multiply third column, 0 minus 2Q squared plus R squared. You take second row, multiply with first column, 0 then 2Q squared minus R squared. Second row, second column, P squared plus Q squared plus R squared. Second row, third column, P squared minus Q squared minus r square. Now we take third row, first column. Minus 2q squared plus r squared. Third row with second column. P squared minus q squared minus r squared. P squared plus q squared plus r squared. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we take this equal to two matrices. 2q squared minus r squared equal to 0. We take this. P squared minus q squared minus r squared equal to 0. P squared plus q squared plus r squared equal to 1. So 2q squared equal to r squared. P squared equal to q squared plus r squared. In place of q squared plus r squared, we can write p squared plus p squared equal to 1. Since q squared plus r squared equal to p squared. So 2p squared equal to 1. P squared equal to 1 by 2. Which implies p equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. We need modulus of p, that is 1 by root 2. So answer option B. Next one. Sum 18. If the system of linear equations 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to a, 3x minus y plus 5z equal to b, x minus 3y plus 2z equals c. Where a, b, c are non-zero real numbers, has more than one solution, then option A, b plus c minus a equals 0. Option B, a plus b plus c equal to 0. Option C, b minus c plus a equal to 0. Option D, B minus C minus A equal to 0. We have all the values A, B, C in the in place of D1, D2, D3. So 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2, into X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Which implies Ax equal to B. Find determinant A. For more than one solution, adjoint of A into B equals 0. For more than one solution, we have result adjoint of A into B equal to 0. Otherwise, we can apply rank method. This is one method. You know how to apply rank method. Augment matrix. You can apply rank method. You can find the solution. So I am using this method, which is not familiar to you. You know that. So adjoint of A into B equals 0. A 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2. Adjoint of A equal to Aj transpose. So just you know how to find cofactor matrix for this minus 2 plus 15, that is 13. For this 6 minus 5, 1, but we present with minus 1. For this minus 9 plus 1, that is minus 8. Then cofactor of this one 4 plus 9, 13, but preceding with minus 9. For cofactor of this one 4 minus 3, that is 1. For cofactor of this minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, but plus 8. So like that you find the cofactor minus 13, minus 1, minus 8. You can find this like this. You take transpose. So adjoint of A equal to 13 minus 13, 13 minus 1, 1 minus 1, minus 8, 8, minus 8. Adjoint of A into B equal to 0, which implies This is adjoint of A. 13 minus 13 13 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 8 8 minus 8 into the matrix B, that is A B C equal to 0. So 13A minus 13B plus 13C equal 0, which implies A minus B plus C equal 0. Then minus A plus B minus C equal 0, which implies A minus B plus C equal 0. Again minus 8A plus 8A minus 8C equal 0. Dividing by minus 8, we have A minus B plus C equal to 0. For all cases, you can write multiple minus sign, B minus C minus A equal to 0. Option D, you can find this result. So this is the method for more than one solution. Adjoint of A and B equal to 0. The previous session I have given the result. Next one, so 19. Let A and B be two invertible matrices of order 3 by 3 if determine A B A transpose equal to 8 and determine A B inverse equal to 8, then determine B A inverse B transpose. 1, option B 16, option C 1 by 16, option D 1 by 4. So first one you take AB A transpose equal to 8. We invert determine A into determine B into determine A transpose equal to 8. Determine A into determine B into determine A equal to 8, since determine A transpose equal to determine A. Therefore, determine A squared into determine B equal to 8. That's statement 1. Determine AB inverse equal to 8. Determine A into determine B inverse equal to 8. Determine B inverse equal to 1 by determine B. Using this, determine A into 1 by determine B equal to 8. That is true. From 1 and 2. from 1 and 2. Here determine a square in determine b. Here determine a, determine 1 by determine b equal to, so 8 into 8. Determine a whole cube equal to 64. That is 4 cube. That means determine a equal to 4. Determine a into 1 by determine b equal to 8. So 4 into determine 1 by b equal to 8. 4 by 8 equal to determine b. So determine b equal to 1 by 2. So far we have found determine a equal to 4, determine b equal to 1 by 2. We need determine b a inverse b transpose we need. So determine b, determine a inverse, determine b transpose. Determine b, this is equal to 1 by, determine a inverse equal to 1 by determine a, that is determine b. Determine b transpose, since determine b transpose equal to determine b, determine a inverse equal to 1 by determine a. So determine b equal to 1 by 2. This is 4. This is also 1 by 2. That is 1 by 16. So 20. An ordered pair alpha comma beta for which the system of linear equations 1 plus alpha into x plus beta y plus z equal to alpha x plus 1 plus beta into y plus z equal to 3, alpha x plus beta y plus 2z equal to has a unique solution is option A minus 3 comma 1, option B 2 comma 4, option C 1 comma minus 3, option D minus 4 comma 2. For unique solution, delta not equal to 0. So 1 plus alpha beta 1. Alpha 1 plus beta 1. Alpha beta 2. Not equal to 0. One plus alpha into 2 plus 2 beta minus beta into 2 alpha minus alpha plus 1 into alpha beta. So instead of multiplying this, we can apply properties of determinant. This is R1, R2, R3. You apply R1 minus R3. R1 implies R1 minus R3. 1 plus alpha minus alpha, that is 1. Beta minus beta is 0. Here we have minus 1. R2 implies R2 minus R3. Alpha minus alpha 0. Here also 1 minus 1. Alpha beta 2. Not equal to 0. Then we expand. 1 into 2 plus beta, then minus 1 into 0 minus alpha equal 0. 2 plus beta so alpha plus beta plus 2 not equal to 0. So minus 3 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 1 comma minus 3, minus 4 comma 2. These are given options. If you apply this, you will get 0. If you apply this, you will get 0. If you apply this, minus 4, you will get 0. 2 comma 4 only satisfies this equation. 2 comma 4 satisfies. So this is the correct option. The set of all values of lambda for which the system of linear equations x minus 2y plus 2z equal to lambda x, x plus 2y plus z equal to lambda y, minus x minus y equal to lambda z as a non-trivial solution is an empty set contains exactly two elements is a singleton contains more than two elements. First, rearrange the given equations. Here 2 is that bring the 1 minus lambda into x minus 2y minus 2 is that equal to 0. Bring lambda in this side, x plus 2y minus lambda y plus z equal to 0. X plus 2 minus lambda into y plus z equal to 0. Minus x minus y minus lambda z equal to 0. For non-trivial solution, delta equal to 0. So here we have 1 minus lambda minus 2 minus 2. Here you have 1, 2 minus lambda 1. Here we have minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0. You expand 1 minus lambda into minus lambda into minus 2 lambda plus lambda squared plus 1, downward minus upward. Again minus or minus plus 2 into minus lambda plus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus lambda equal to 0. So 1 minus lambda, so lambda minus 1 whole square, lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2 lambda minus 2 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 lambda equal 0 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Here minus 2 lambda plus 2, here minus 2. 2 into minus lambda minus 2 lambda, 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. This will be cancelled. So 1 minus lambda into lambda minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So you can rearrange this 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda the whole square equals 0. So a minus b whole square equal to b minus a whole square. So 1 minus lambda the whole cubed equal to 0. 1 minus lambda equal to 0. 1 equal to lambda. Option C. Let P equal to 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 and Q equal to Qij be 2 3 by 3 matrices such that Q minus P power 5 equal to I3. Then Q21 plus Q31 by Q32 equals 10 of 135 9 15. So Q minus P power 5 equal to I3, which implies Q equal to P power 5 plus I3. I3 is a unit matrix of order 3. First you find P power 5. P squared 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 into 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1. So 1 only. First row second column 0, here also 0. You take second row first column 3 plus 3 6 0. You take second row second column 0 1 then 0. You take third row 9 into 1 9 3 into 3 9 1 into 9 9. So you have 27 0 3 here 1. P cube 1 0 0 6 1 0 27 6 1 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 1 0. So you have 1 here 0 0 0 here also 0. 6 plus 3 9 0 1. Here we have 0. 27 into 1 27 plus plus 18 plus 27 into 1 27, 6 and 3 18, 9. So we have 54. 6 plus 3 9, here 1. So we need P power 5. P cubed into P squared. P cubed. This value 1 0 0 9 1 0 54 9 1 into P squared. This one 1 0 0 6 1 0 27 6 1. One 0 0. So we have 0 here. 0 0. Sorry, here 1 here. Here 0. Here also 0. It takes 7 row. 9 plus 6 15. 9 here 1. Here 0. 54 into 1. 54. 9 into 6. 54 plus 27. That is 135. 54 into 0. 9 into 1. 6 9 15. 1. So Q equal to P power 5 plus I3. 1 0 0 15 1 0 135 15 1 plus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 15 1 0 135 1 plus 1 2 here. Here also 1 plus 1 2 here. So we have to find Q21 plus Q31 divided by Q32. Q21 second row first column, that is 15 plus Q31 135 divided by Q32, that is 15. 150 by 15, that is 10. Option A is correct. The greatest value of C belongs for for which system of linear equations x minus cy minus cz equals 0, cx minus y plus cz equals 0, cx plus cy minus z equals 0 as a non-trivial solution is option A 1/2, option B -1, option C 2, option D 0. So the given system is homogeneous since we have constant term 0 in B1, B2, B3 place. For non-trivial solution delta equal to 0, that is 1 minus C minus C, C minus 1 C, C minus 1 equal to 0. One minus C squared plus C into minus C squared minus C into C squared plus C equals 0. 1 minus C squared minus C squared plus C cubed minus C cubed minus C squared equal to 0. Here also we have minus C cubed. So minus 2C cubed minus 3C squared plus 1 equal to 2C cubed plus 3C squared minus 1 equal to 0. So you have to factor this. If you take C equal to 1, 2, if you take C equal to minus 1, you can apply similarly 2, 3, 0, minus 1. You take minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 0. So C minus 1 or C plus 1 into 2C squared plus C minus 1 equal to 0. Even further you can apply minus 2 plus 1 0. So C plus 1 into C plus 1 into 2C plus 1 equal to 2C minus 1, 2C minus 1 equal to 0. So minus 1 is a factor. So minus 1 is a root. Therefore C plus 1 is a factor. So C plus 1 the whole squared into 2C minus 1 equal to 0. C equal to minus 1, C equal to half. We need greatest value. So minus is the least value, greatest value equal to half. Answer option A. We will discuss remaining sums in next class. Thank you.